Hussain Baba. I'm based in the beautiful coastal city of Gold Coast in Queensland. I wear several hats. I'm a businessman. I'm the secretary of the Islamic Society of the Gold Coast. I'm the founder of Multicultural Social Network, and also I host several shows. Listen to the sizzling sound. I'm originally from Hong Kong of Sri Lankan heritage. About 25 years ago, my wife came to Gold Coast to further study. She did the MBA at the Griffith University. And after graduation, we decided to migrate to this beautiful country, especially Gold Coast. Australia is a vibrant and a beautiful country, and I feel blessed to be here. It is also a multicultural country with different cultural diversities. In Gold Coast, I interact with various multicultural organizations and interfaith organizations. Through the Multicultural Social Network, without any government support, we were able to serve the needy members in our Gold Coast community. In 2020, we supported about 200 international students who were stranded in the Gold Coast due to COVID. We provided them with weekly food hampers and warm meals. And we have been arranging warm meals for the homeless. We take care of about 150 homeless members as well as about 60 needy members who happen to be the victims of domestic violence. And these are done on a weekly basis. I am blessed that my children are also volunteering in this program. So I'm very pleased that we are able to help our community, especially our needy members. On Australia Day, we celebrate our multicultural nation, its achievement and its people. We reflect on our history, its highs and lows. We respect each other's culture, beliefs, and their stories. And my motto is, no matter where you come from, what language you speak, what your religious beliefs are, we are all brothers and sisters in humanity. So we should extend love and be compassionate to each other. Thank you, Australia.